Sometimes I just want to shoot myself. Hey, Crawlspace Kiefer here, and thanks for watching another episode of Truth and No Bull. And what we're going to talk about today is the myth that if you put a sub pump in just the lowest point of a crawl space, it's going to actually make all your water problems disappear. This couldn't be further from the truth and is complete BS. So what really actually happens is, even if you were able to get a great grade on the soil and allow the water to find that lowest point, every time the water rises up around your foundation footers, it's going to move that dirt around. And the water is going to find the path of least resistance. And before you know it, that water is not going to come anywhere close to where originally was intended, where that sub pump is. The only way to properly control the water that's infiltrating into your crawl space is to put footer drain tile all the way around the perimeter. And then as that water rises up next to the footer and into the drain tile, it's pitched and led back into the sub pump basin and then it's pumped out by the sub pump. So you absolutely can only redirect the water coming into your crawl space with proper drain tile or a French drain put in that crawl space, and then have that water directed to the sub pump or sub pumps. So that is an absolute myth if somebody tells you that all you need to do is take a sub pump and put it in the lowest point and that'll take care of all your problems. That's all I got for today. Thanks so much for watching.